Welcome to IRIE News Channel, where you can expect to get cutting-edge news, views, and reviews. Don't go away. We will be right back.
Good day, everyone, especially to those living in the Caribbean. I hope that you are returning to a state of normalcy after the Hurricane Beryl that wreaked havoc across the Caribbean last week. Now, because I'm not there in the country to see the devastation and what is happening and how my people are dealing with it for myself, I have tuned into a number of social media networks right across, from TikTok to Facebook to YouTube. Now, while some of these videos have been really sad to see what has happened to different persons, especially in different Caribbean islands, some of these videos, I must admit that I had to take bad things and make joke. So I have made a compilation for you. The first set of videos are from different Caribbean islands and how they reacted to Hurricane Beryl. The second set of videos are from Jamaica, and I want you to watch those videos carefully. Look at how the other Caribbean islands reacted to Hurricane Beryl, then look at how majority of the Jamaicans reacted to Hurricane Beryl. And then I want you to leave a comment in the comment section and tell me if you think that Jamaica is a real place. And as usual, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my videos.
a breadfruit and pumpkin and all type of things up off a tree so we can go. The family member them when they overseas so they can turn on back.
This is IRIE News Network. If you like the information that is being shared over here, please continue to like, share, and subscribe. Click on the notification bell so that you can be notified when other videos are uploaded. Thank you.